Hey guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing well. So I'm back again. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through how I wash my hair, how I blend and then wash, and also the products I use to wash my hair. Please stay tuned on till the end. Don't go anywhere and please consider subscribing. Okay. Hi guys, this is how my hair looks like before washing it. So here I'm trying to unplait one by one. There I'm done, and then I'm trying to comb it. Again combing it. One by one. I try to make sure that I make it straight before I go ahead and wash it. That's how it looks like. I think I'm in love with my hair. So there I've made it straight, and now I'm ready to go in a shower and wash it right away. So that's how it looks like. Trying to make it straight so that it's very easy for me to wash it. That's how it looks like. How sweet it is. It looks nice. I really love my hair so much, so very much. So there I'm done, and now into the shower. That's how it looks like before putting water into it, and then right there I'm trying to make it wet so that I can apply other products. Here is my shampoo. I'm trying to put the shampoo in it, trying to have that first wash. Making sure that every single bit of the head or the hair gets a bit of the shampoo. Trying to wash it. I make sure that I take my time when I'm washing my hair. I take as much time as possible. So here I get a comb, and I'm trying to scratch the head. Where I feel some itching, I try to scrub it. Washing it again, and there we go, and then I'm preparing it to have some bit of hair conditioner. I try to make sure that I put the hair conditioner in every single part. When I feel like it's not enough, I add some quantity in it, and then go ahead and do what you're seeing on the screen. Right there, trying to make sure that the hair conditioner is all over. I try to make sure that I take as much time as possible. So right there I give it, I think, a couple of 10 minutes for the hair conditioner to sink into my hair, like the way you're seeing it right there. I'm trying to give it time, and then after I wash or I rinse off the hair conditioner. So right there I'm washing the hair conditioner away from the hair. Trying to make sure that it's completely clean, and then I put it in my hair towel for it to dry up. So here I'm done. It has dried up and I'm going to do the next phase. So right there, the towel is off. I try to comb it a little bit to straighten it up, and then I go ahead and tie the other bit of the hair and then work on the remaining hair, so that I don't have to do a lot of work, like, you understand. So right there, I'm working on this other side. That's my kuza. I put kuza in my hair, so that when I'm combing it, it's not very hard, and this kuza makes it soft. And the reason that's why I also use it, it's because I don't use a dryer. I don't dry my hair with a dryer. I don't straighten up my hair with a dryer, so I use the kuza to do what the dryer has to do. So right there, I'm combing it, trying to straighten it up. Yeah, trying to straighten it up to the level of my preference. Yeah, my hair doesn't deal with fire, so I use the kuza and other products to make it straight and to make what the dryer could do. So I'm not a good friend or a fan of dryers, so that's what I try to do. So at this level, I feel like it is to my preference, and then I try to divide it and go ahead and tie it up. So there we go. So I get my ribbon and tied it up. The same I do to the other part. I comb it, straighten it up, and tied it up as well with a ribbon, or something you could call a hairband. So the same I do on this other side, like the way you're seeing it. Get a comb, I comb it and then divide it into two parts, like the way I'm doing it right there. Trying to have the quantity of my preference, and then straighten it up to my preference still, and then get a ribbon or a hairband and tie it up. Yeah, I think we're getting there. We're about to wind up this video. Yeah, so the last part I do the same. Comb it, straight it up, and still put the ribbon in it. So yeah, we're done with the 4 of them, and that's how they look like, and that's the final results of the process. So thank you.
Okay guys, hope you've seen it. It's just as simple as that. Yeah, not complicated, not using a lot of products. Yeah, just as simple as you've seen it. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. I really appreciate it. And because this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. But you've not yet subscribed, yeah, please support your girls. So thank you so much. Have a lovely day, have a lovely evening, have a lovely wherever you're watching from. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you. Tiffah Glam Talks team loves you so much. Please consider subscribing. Bye bye.